Hi everyone. In last sessions, we successfully created our remarketing only my contact page uh, tag on Google Tag Manager. Now we need to configure the similar audience with our Google Ads account now. So if you just click here tools and setting and then the audience manager and then you need to click on the plus icon button here and then the website visitor. And after the website visitors, you are saying to Google that this is, let's say, remarketing my new contact us page. So you can specify any of the, the audience name and as per your wish. So here you can just specify the visitors of a page, visitors who has visited another page now, or the visitor with another page, or during a specific dates. I would like to say with a specific, the visitor of a page now. So you need to specify your URL complete here now, and the URL will be HTTPS www. Oh, sorry. The complete URL you need to specify the teaching school kschool.pk and then the contact. This was the page now we are targeting. So then after that scroll down and we just need to be like since 90 days the people who visited on this particular page we are interested for retargeting now. And after that you need to click on the create segment and congratulations your audience for the remarketing Udemy new contact page which we just created 12 for 21 is created now. Currently it's keep showing the populating. Why? Because this will take the 24 hours for populating the data. Whosoever visited on the contact us page since last 90 days, their information will be populated now. So this is how you can create your retarget marketing. And if you would like to use this remarketing targeting audience, I would like to show you how you can specify the remarketing audience in your campaign in next session. Thank you very much for watching this session.